Hello students, this is the fourth part of chapter 3 subtraction 1 to 10. Today I will teach you story sums. Let's read first of all. The balloon sailor had 8 balloons. The balloon sailor had how many balloons? 8 balloons he was having. He sold 7 and among those 8 balloons he sold 7 balloons. How many are left? Then after selling 7 balloons, how many balloons left with him? Let's do a calculation. Firstly, he was having 8 balloons. So I will write 8 above. Then as he sold 7 balloons, so I will write down 7. I will put the sign of minus. When we do subtraction, we have to put the sign of minus. Now 8 minus 7. Keep 8 in your mind and show 7 in your fingers. Count before 8. In subtraction, we count before. Now before 8, what comes? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So after selling 7 balloons, only 1 balloon left with him. Our second sum, let's read first of all. There are 4 birds on a tree. How many birds are sitting on a tree? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Out of those 4 birds, one of them fly away. One fly away from it. How many birds are left on the tree? Now after one bird fly away from the tree, how many birds are left on the tree now? Let's find out here above. First of all, 4 birds were there on the tree. I will write 4. Then one of them fly away. As one fly away, I will write 1 down below 4. Again, same, I will put the sign of minus. And we'll start the calculation. Keep 4 in your mind and show 1 in your finger. Count before 4. 4 se pehle 3. So 3 is the answer. So now our third sum. Maya had 7 stamps. She lost 5. Maya was having 7 stamps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And among those 7 stamps, she lost 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 she lost. How many does she have now? After she lost 5 stamps, how many stamps left with her? Achha, what is stamp first of all? Stamp that we get from the post office and we put in the letter which we send to our relatives or our friends. We put that stamp on the letter. So, first of all, she was having 7 stamps. So, I will write here 7. As she lost 5 stamps, below 7 I will write 5 and I will cut here 5 stamps. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many stamps now left with her? Keep 7 in your mind. Show 5 in your fingers. Count before 7. What comes before 7? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So, 2 stamps left with her. Achha, might be question is arising in your mind that when we do addition, when we do subtraction, in which question we do addition and which question do subtraction. See, when something goes away from you, if you are having 5 pencil and 2 you are given to someone else, you are giving to someone else. In this type of question, you do minus, you do subtraction. And when you do addition, when something extra you are getting, we do addition in that sum. Our fourth sum is Raju picked 8 flowers. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. He gave 4 to his mother. Among those 8 flowers, he gave 4 to his mother. How many are left with him? See students, when this word left comes, that time you have to minus. In that question you have to subtract. This is the trick. Where you find left in the question, in that sum you have to subtract. So Raju was having 8 flowers. He gave 4 to his mother. Firstly he was having 8, so I will write here 8 above. As he gave 4 to his mother, down I will write 4. I will put the sign of minus. Now what I have to do? Keep 8 in your mind. Show 4 in your fingers. Count before 8. 8 se pehle what comes? 7, 6, 5 and 4. So 4 flowers left with him. As he gave 4 to his mother, I will cut here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See here 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 flowers left with him. Now sum number 5. Meera had 7 books. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. She gave 3 to her sister. Among those 7 books, she gave 3 to her sister. So I will firstly cut 3 books as she given to her sister. How many are left with her? Now how many left with her? Firstly she was having 7. Then she gave 3 to her sister. So I will write 3 down below. I will put the sign of minus. Students, have you noticed? Here also word left is written in this question. So here also I minus. In this question also I minus the sum. 7 minus 3. Keep 7 in your mind. Show 3 in your fingers. Count before 7. What comes before 7? 6, 5, 4. So 4 is the answer. 4 books left with her. With whom? With Meera. Now sum number 6. Tara had 6 crayons. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. She used 4. Among those 6 crayons, she used 4. So I will cut 4 crayons. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I cut the 4 crayons. How many are left? See, here also left word is written. As I explained you in earlier questions, where you find this left word, in that question you have to do subtraction. So here also left word is written. So here I will also subtract. Tara had 6 crayons. Firstly she was having 6 crayons. She used 4. So I will write 4 down. I will put the sign of subtraction, minus, sorry. We will make a line. 6. What you will do with the 6? You will fix 6 in your mind and show 4 in your fingers. Now what you have to do? You have to count before 6. What comes before 6? 5, 4, 3, 2. As I told you, where something extra you are getting, you have to do addition in that question. Where something going out from you, going away from you, there you have to do minus, subtraction. Here 2 is the answer. She was having 6 crayons before. She used 4, that means 4 goes away from her. 2 left with her. Our last question, 7th question is, Mona had 5 sweets. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. She gave 2 to her friend. उसने 2 अपने friends को दे दिए. How many are left with her? Now how many are left with her? Before she was having 5. So I will write 5 here above. Out of those 5, she gave 2 to her friends. I will put the sign of minus as she gave 2 to her friends. So I will cut here 2 sweets. How many left with her now? Keep 5 in your mind. Show 2 in your fingers. Count before 5. 4, 3. So 3 candies left with her. Thank you. Do practice of these sums at your home. Have a nice day. Take care.